You are sitting there, staring at the screen, and the cursor is just blinking back at you. The room is quiet, but your mind is loud. You feel that heavy weight in your chest, the one that tells you you have been busy all day, yet somehow you have accomplished nothing. It is the same feeling you had yesterday and the day before that. You wake up with a plan, but then the notifications start. You spend more time managing your to-do list than actually doing the work on it. You reply to an email, then a text, then another, thinking you were being productive, but you're just moving in circles. The day stretches out before you, and because you have not set a firm deadline, the work simply expands to fill every available second of your time. By 3 in the afternoon, the confusion sets in. By 5, it is frustration. By 9, it's that quiet, hollow regret. You are not lazy, you're just stuck. You are stuck in a cycle of tomorrow. You tell yourself that tomorrow you will have the energy, tomorrow you will have the focus, but tomorrow is a lie that comfort tells you to keep you exactly where you are. You have massive potential locked inside you, but it is being suffocated by routine in the safety of the known. But here's the truth. This is where everything changes. Productivity is not a set of hacks or a complex system you need to learn. It is an identity you choose to adopt. It is about moving with a sense of urgency that makes your current pace feel illegal. True discipline is not a punishment. It is the highest form of self-respect. It is the power to look at the noise and say no. It starts by realizing that 95% of your results come from just 5% of your actions. Most of what you are doing right now does not matter. You need to find that one lead domino, the one task that, if you finish it, makes every other task easier or completely unnecessary. Stop trying to multitask. Multitasking is just a way to do multiple things poorly at once. Instead, protect the first 2 hours of your day. Those hours are for your biggest goals, the ones that actually move the needle in your life. Your environment is currently communicating your priorities. If your workspace is a mess, if your tools are outdated, you are telling yourself that your work is not worth the investment. Upgrade your space, because your environment affects your energy, and your energy dictates your output, and you must decide what you will not do. Success is defined as much by what you stop doing as it is by what you start. The endless scrolling, the constant distraction, the waiting for the perfect
How
moment.
becomes clear
Stop it.
when why
When you
is
connect
strong
your
enough.
work to a why that is big enough, the how starts to take care of itself. You stop asking for permission. You stop waiting for motivation. You start moving because your purpose demands it. You focus on the work with your whole heart, but you remain unattached to the outcome. You cannot always control the result, but you can always control your effort. This is not about doing more. It is about becoming more. It is about reclaiming your freedom from the distractions that want to keep you small. You can continue to manage your slow decline, or you can choose to hit the first domino. The clock is ticking. What is the one thing you are avoiding right now that would change everything?